Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So this will be our first video for this new series that we will be doing weekly uploads on our YouTube channel. So this is going to be the aquarium plant farmery series, and we'll be covering a lot of topics such as how to grow anubias, how to grow moss, water sprites, all type of plants on this channel. So today's focus will be anubias. We got about 25 anubias to cover. This is Tyler's setup, so he's growing anubias, moss, and I think he might add a couple more plants later on. So here are the anubias, and for today we kind of just went a bit quick with the placement of the anubias. So as you guys can see, we're using a 4 feet bin, and we're using aqua soil at the bottom. Shout out Fluval for giving us bags of aqua soil. I think this is biostratum, and then it's also stratum. You guys can find the aqua soil in the link down below or in the description of this video. So yeah, we're just kind of planting the plants, seeing if we need more space. Again, you don't want to plant the anubias too close to each other. A good trick is to actually planting it in the pots, and then planting the pots in the soil. We didn't do it today, but on another day we will be doing that, because we're going to cut them and then plant them in the pots. So you can see there's a tarp to keep the humidity. The light we're using for this bin, it's called the Barina. These are 4 feet lights, and they are great. I think they're 42 watts, full LED spectrum. Again, you guys can check out the link below, and you guys can get the light on Amazon. And again, thank you Barina for sponsoring us for the lights. I already talked about the aqua soil here. I was just showing the bags to you guys so you guys know exactly what product that we're using. And again, I'm just showing the tarp here just to show the humidity. So the plants are pretty humid after we sprayed the plants. So this is the setup. So moss, and then there's going to be a second layer of anubias, and then the bottom layer will be the round leaf anubias. So here's the moss. The moss is doing pretty good. You guys can see it's fairly long. We're gonna need to do some cuttings here. I think we're only growing Java moss in these trays. There might be some Christmas moss on the left, on the very left. You guys can see there's a little bit of browning in that one tray, and again, we're going to talk about how to avoid that in this series. So here are the lights that we're using for the moss. These can be again picked up on Amazon. You can just punch in like plant grow lights, and then you'll see these purple LED lights. Again, I'm not sure if purple or white lights does a difference. Some people say if you get purple lights, plants grows a lot faster. Personally, I do prefer white light. I find that the plants do better, but again, I think every plant adapt to the lights differently, because for example, Monte Carlos, it does not work in purple light, but in white light it does very good. So we're just spraying down the plants here again just to keep the humidity. That's it for today, and I'll see you guys in the next video.